We are finally getting a chance to try our blueberry shrub that's been aging in the fridge for about a week and making it into a different mocktail that we did last week. And today's video is a continuation of that. You can call this part 2. So let's go ahead and get started. You deserve to be happy and healthy. Hey folks, Joyce here, certified health and nutrition coach. This channel is for people who want to start or refresh their healthy habits. So if you're interested in doing just that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and watch all the way to the end for bonus tips. So let me show you what you need to make this mocktail. For the tools and ingredients, we have ice, tongs, bar spoon, muddler, jigger, and a large wine glass. And these are 5 out of 10 things you need to make any mocktail. Check the video out, link is above and in the description below. We also have 1 week aged blueberry shrub, some seltzer water, some ice, and for fresh ingredients here, we have our thinly sliced cucumbers cut on a bias and fresh mint. All right, y'all, I'm not sure if you can see this right now, but there's kind of like a gelatinous feel to this liquid in here. I haven't opened it yet. This is the first time, and I'm not gonna shake it, although I think I'm supposed to. So opening it up, let's see what it smells like. It smells like blueberries and vinegar. And oh yeah, look, it's very viscous. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to shake this, but I will taste it after. Let's shake it up. Oh yeah, that is thick. Opening it back up. So the vinegary smell actually has lessened after shaking it. And here we are. It's still pretty thick, but not as thick as before without shaking it. So here's the taste test. The flavor profile hasn't really changed much from like last week. So making this shrub mocktail and not waiting a week is totally fine in my opinion. Let's go ahead and make this blueberry cucumber mint shrub mocktail. First, let's get a big bunch of mint and put it on the bottom right there. And let's get 1.5 ounces of our shrub, and we're going to go ahead and muddle that. Beautiful. Okay, so let's go ahead and add our ice. Let's open up our Topo Chico. I actually pre-opened it so it doesn't explode in my face. Going to add our slices of cucumbers on the sides of the glass all the way around. Beautiful. And we're going to take our bar spoon and slowly stir the bottom up, and just be careful because the seltzer tends to bubble up, so you want to be mindful about that. We're just going to use a few more sprigs of mint to further garnish it, like so. And there we have it, blueberry cucumber mint shrub mocktail. Cheers. Oh, this is so much more refreshing. I love all the flavor combinations, and the vinegary flavor actually was tampered down. So I highly recommend this recipe. Definitely check it out in the description below. That wraps up our video on how to make a mocktail out of 1 week old aged shrub. Now we know we don't have to wait a whole week to enjoy it. And according to Bon Appetit, you can actually store this shrub in your fridge for about 6 months if you'd like. All right, so this is still a great option all year round. And if you're curious about cutting down or the sober lifestyle, or you're already living your life the non-alcoholic way, add this to your repertoire. All right, so if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, or hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have, thank y'all so much. See y'all next week, and remember, you deserve to be happy and healthy.